Right, assalamualaikum everyone. The journey continues on today, and Wednesday is the middle of the month. Sorry, not the month, but the middle of the weekly. And I told you that Monday, Tuesday are normally for stop losses and just create a little bit of anxiety. That's what Mondays and Tuesdays are reserved for. Now, at this point of time, I think that Pepe on the weekly, on Wednesday, Thursday, has to reverse a little bit. You have to really go back up during the Wednesdays and the Thursdays. So at the moment, at this point of time, you have been consolidating, and this consolidation has created a bullish rectangle, and this bullish rectangle needs a break, and then we're going to push to the upside. So what I want to do, I'm going to give you a reference, going to remove all the drawings, I'm going to start again. So number one is I'm going to show you one image on the Google. And here we are. The most basic understanding is that you will have a push up, a sideways, right? A sideways, a resistance line here, and a breakout. And of course, you're going to have a support line. So if we take this into consideration, well, it actually matches every single thing that is happening right here. So if we take the upper resistance line just like that, then we have ourselves this resistance line, of course, and if we take the trend line and put it down here, we do have the support line once again. Now you also have this impulsive move to the upside and the consolidation. Now what is going to happen next is that you must wait for the break. We're looking for the break. I personally believe we're going to have a break and start to push up. So take the trend line top to bottom right there, and this is going to be what I think we're going to move. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit in here, see better, and that's going to be up, and that actually takes us to 16,784. So I'm just going to mark this as your next technical target once we do breakout, right? So we do need a breakout, and is this breakout going to happen? Let me know in the comments and let others know in the comment what you think. Is the break going to happen? Just comment yes. I think it is, right? And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.